Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, at first you have to be logged into your Instagram account, and after that you have to select the picture that you want to download. So I'm going for our account, and I think that I'm going to take this one. And right now it's very important to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, and we have to get the application Repost for Instagram. And there's this application, there's the full name, it is from the Kimsey929. So if you find this application, let's install. Let's open this up right now. As you can see, okay, we can check the more relevant ads, and right now there's the instruction how we can save the picture from Instagram. So there's two methods. So let's start. Let's go for our Instagram account, and right now if you get the picture, the first one is to tap on the right upper corner on the three dots, and then we have to click to share to and select from the list below Repost for Instagram, the application that we downloaded. Right now we have to move for the Repost application, and as you can see here we got the picture, so let's click on it. And right now we are able to remove the signature by clicking right here, and if you want to save it, just click on this middle button. As you can see there, we get the notification that it was saved to the gallery. So right now we can check it if it is working. So go for the photos, and it will be probably in the albums. Yeah, when you go in the albums, we can take the photos on the device, and here we got the Repost for Instagram, and as you can see here, saved the picture that we download from the Instagram. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.